Dear learners, in this class, you can learn Housewife Self Introduction. Here is a conversation between two friends. Dear learners, watch this video until end.
You are not subscribed to my channel yet. Please subscribe my channel. What is your name?
My name is Sita.
Can you introduce yourself?
Yes, I am a homemaker and I take care of my family.
Where are you from?
I am from Mangalore.
Where do you live now?
I live in Bangalore.
How long have you been living there?
I have been living there for 10 years.
Are you married?
Yes, I am married.
How many members are there in your family?
There are 6 members in my family.
What does your husband do?
My husband works as a bank manager.
Do you have children?
Yes, I have 2 children.
How old are your children?
They are 9 and 7 years old.
What is your daily routine?
I wake up early and manage household work.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 5 a.m. in the morning.
What household work do you do?
I cook, clean, and take care of my family.
Do you help your children with studies?
Yes, I help them with homework.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are cooking, reading, and gardening.
What do you do in your free time?
I watch useful programs and learn new recipes.
Are you good at cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking for my family.
What type of food do you cook?
I cook healthy and traditional food.
Do you attend family functions?
Yes, I actively participate in family events.
Are you involved in any community activities?
Yes, I participate in local programs.
What are your strengths?
I am patient, responsible, and caring.
How do you manage stress?
I stay calm and think positively.
How do you manage your time?
I plan my work properly.
What motivates you?
My family motivates me.
What skills have you developed as a homemaker?
I have developed time management and multitasking skills.
Can you handle responsibilities alone?
Yes, I can manage responsibilities confidently.
Are you a decision maker at home?
Yes, I take decisions when needed.
How do you solve family problems?
I discuss calmly and find solutions.
Do you support your children emotionally?
Yes, I always encourage them.
What values do you teach your children?
I teach honesty, respect, and discipline.
Did you work before marriage?
Yes, I worked as a software.
Are you interested in working in the future?
Yes, I am open to new opportunities.
What kind of job would you like to do?
I would like to do a part-time or home-based job.
Why do you want to work?
I want to use my skills and support my family.
What makes you confident?
My experience in managing home and family.
Are you comfortable learning new skills?
Yes, I am always ready to learn.
How do you keep yourself updated?
I read books and watch informative videos.
What is your biggest achievement?
Raising my children with good values.
What is your goal now?
To improve my skills and grow personally.
How would you describe yourself?
I am caring, hardworking, and positive.
What do you enjoy most about being a homemaker?
Taking care of my family.
How do you maintain work-life balance?
I divide my time wisely.
Are you a good planner?
Yes, I plan everything in advance.
What message would you like to give to others?
Respect every homemaker's hard work.
Can you summarize yourself in one sentence?
I am a dedicated homemaker who manages my family with love and responsibility.
Thank you, learners, to watch this video until the end. If you like this video, please drop your comment and click the like button. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.